Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm going to share you the fastest way I get ready. Parang the quickest get ready with me video that I'm going to upload. I'm so sorry. Okay, disclaimer muna tayo. As per usual, I'm so sorry hindi ako naka-upload ng video last Monday because we were so busy with the sort of kind of not really renovation but redecoration room makeover na ginagawa ko. Actually, dito ako ngayon sa isa sa mga mini-makeover namin na room. Dati, red walls to. Ngayon, white na siya. And hindi na kasi ako makapag-film doon sa pwesto ko kasi puro gamit na siya, puro clutter na siya. And another disclaimer, sorry kung chararat yung lighting natin yan because umuulan sa labas. So, I only have the window as my lighting. And meron akong ring light but so far away because the saksakan is so far away. So, anyway, ayoko namang i-neglect kayo for the entire week without uploading anything. So, isasama ko na kayo ngayon sa pag-get ready ko because we have so many stuff to do outside the house. So, I'm just gonna get ready. And I can do this makeup look or parang get ready with me in like 5 minutes. Pero since si chika ako, medyo, of course, madadagdagan siya ng bonggang-bongga. Anyway, let's proceed the makeup. So, first I'm going to do is, syempre, prep my skin. Gagamitin ko tong Nature Skin Secrets Aloe Vera Spray. If you're in a hurry, okay din gumamit ng mga spray product because, ganun lang. Next I'm going to do is my base, and if I'm in a hurry, hindi ko pa nasi-share sa inyo to, pero if I'm in a hurry, I usually put everything at once. For example, for today, gagamitin ko tong BLK Cosmetics Skin Tint Sun Shield SPF 30. Kahit maulan, kailangan mo pa rin maglagay ng SPF 30 because you never know, baka biglang sumikat yung araw. So, what I like to do is put everything like that. And then, dahil medyo puyata ng bongga ang drama ko, I also put my concealer na rin. And then, I also put my contour na rin. I know, right? And then, I use a beauty blender to blend everything together. So, iniuna ko man yung gitna. And then, saka yung gilid. Now, next I'm gonna do is the eyebrows. If I'm in a hurry, hindi na ako gumagamit ng like yung pencil tapos mag-drawing ka ng ganun. What I suggest you guys is gumamit na kayo ng a really tinted na brow mascara. One of the products I do recommend is itong Skin Potions Brow of Wonders kasi pigmented talaga yung ano nito, yung brow gel niya. So, hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng pencil kasi with the brow gel, nade-define na, tinted brow gel, nade-define na yung eyebrows ko. Diba? It is so quick to do your eyebrows. Hindi mo kailangan super duper precise. Diba? Now, next thing we're going to do is yung cheeks, eyes, and lips natin. Dito na masusubukan yung mga naglabas sa multi-purpose products in the market. Andyan yung Sunny Space. Syempre, andyan si BLK Cosmetics. And then, we also have yung KJM Cosmetics. And then, one of my favorite, yung Mersey. You can use this on your lips, your cheeks, and everything. And then, si Colorette, kaya lang masyadong malabnaw si Colorette. lalo na if you're in a hurry, kailangan po maging very, very careful. So, I suggest if you're in a hurry and you're gonna use a multi-purpose product, make sure na creamy type na. So, alam mo hindi siya yung parang magda-drip pa and everything. So, dahil matagal ko na hindi nagagamit si Sunny's Face, na lang tayo. And I'm going to use yung lip dip in the shade Fembot. Okay, subukan natin pag multi-purpose niya. Madali ka sa lagay niya, di ba? Pero syempre, kailangan mo i-blend ng maigi. So, blend everything together, ilapad together. So, use your beauty blender. So, if you have extra time, teka, parang hindi ko, nakukulangan ako sa lips. Dagdagan natin ang lips. So, if you have extra time, siguro makakapag-mascara ka pa and everything. Mascara is way better than eyeliner if you're in a hurry. Diba? May silbi ang pagiging multi-purpose ng mga multi-purpose products. Okay, so, this is basically it. Pero, since pangpatagal, kasi if I'm gonna set with a powder, if you're in a hurry, I suggest iset mo na lang yung face mo with a makeup setting spray. As in yung makeup setting spray, not just any kind of spray, makeup setting spray. So, I'm just gonna get mine. Wait lang. So, in my makeup stash, I only have like 2 setting spray. Ito sa MAC. And then, ito sa Hello Gorgeous, a much affordable option. Ito ang makeup setting spray. Kasi syempre, if you're in a hurry, baka nakabihis ka na and everything. And yes. So, alam mo yun, ayaw mong malagyan ng powder yung damit mo. Lalo na ngayon, naka-black ako. So, ayaw ko siyang malagyan ng powder. So, I'm just gonna set my face, instead of powder, setting spray. At least, ma-maintain pa yung dewy finish na bet ko on my makeup. So, yeah. Ito na yan. We are done. I am so good to go. So, ayun na. Anyway. Alright, now that I'm in a hurry, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I promise you next week will be better kasi feeling ko naman within this week matatapos na namin yung pagpipintura. Yung pagpipintura talaga guys, na kwarto yung nagpapatagal kasi it's not that easy. Alam mo, akala mo ganyan-ganyan ka lang ng roller brush or something, pero yung mga kasingit-singitan kailangan palang maliit na brush, and you have to be like super duper precise in doing that. Anyway, hopefully next week isa sa mga kwarto tapos na, gawa na. Yeah, something like that. Para mapakita ko na sa inyo. Definitely, it's going to be 2 parts yung room makeover reveal, because yung in-order ko for this room is 2 weeks pa. Magandang matay. Yung in-order kong cabinet. Pero yung mga gamit for the other room, parang isang bedsheet na lang ata yung naantay ko. Yeah. And wala pa siya. So, basta watch out for it. I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. And find me on Instagram and Twitter. Nagbago na po yung pangalan ko. Hindi na MOR1019 Bea. Dandan paki-insert please at Miss Bea 19. That's my content creator account. And then I have a personal account, which is MissBea_1989. That's, you know, a different vibe naman ng ang mga pinapost ko doon. So, yeah, again, last na talaga daw. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Okay, so So, lapit tayo sa bintana. Ayan po ang itsura. Naman ang bibimigan ko.